at LeoFoo Village, and it's the weekend, so I am buckling my seatbelt and my creative shirt on. Guys, right now we are going to the choo-choo train. Alright, so right now we are still stuck. There is the freaking train going so freaking slow. And I don't know why it's so freaking slow. We went on this crazy roller coaster that's fun. Oh my god, I love this. And then this is our third ride, which is how we had to wait for 50. My butt fully left the seat, like me standing up, and then I started crying because we went straight down. My butt left the seat really bad. I'm scared. I really wish I didn't do it. Right now, we just bought the stuff. We're leaving because the store is closing. Look at my